beach again. I haven't been down to this beach for a while. I'm over the border in East Sussex. It looks nice and clear, thank Christ. The tide's out. There's about 6 hours before it returns. I'm out with the Manticore with the M9 Coil, giving it a test. I've not used it yet. I've also got another scoop which I bought second hand. It's the Evolution. I bought that when I was in Devon, so hopefully that'll be fine. And yeah, so what more can I say? The sun's not out. It's been a glorious week all this week, and the day I go out it's very windy, which is good in another way because obviously I can keep cool, but hopefully it won't burn me too much when that sun does come through. Yeah, so see at the first hole and enjoy. Oh, that was quick. It's a surface find, so let's have a look. What have we got? Samsung. Sound by AKG. Samsung earpods. Well, if you're watching my channel and you have lost these, then please get in touch. If they match your phone or whatever device you was using, you can have them back. If they don't match your phone, sorry. Not heard of that lot before, so that'd be quite interesting. They look quite new. So here we go. First find, surface. It's 2021.
If my little man has a watch of you for a minute.
Yeah, it's fine. It's probably not going to be much.
No.
If anything, probably.
And if we see anything, we've not seen it. You been down long?
No, I've literally just got down here. Numbers are changing all over the place now.
Yeah. Right, you know what this is after? That's his metal detector. He's looking for precious things, old things, things that people have dropped.
Right, it's out anyway.
He's found something in there now, and he's going to get his little stick out. Oh, there he goes, you hear it? Look, it's saying there's something there.
Oh, it's a coin.
Oh look, he's got a coin.
It's a 5p.
5p's found, Arthur. Look at that. An old one or a current one?
No, current one.
See that? See how we found that? Look at that, look. There you go, Bubbers, look. It's all rusty.
Yeah, it just needs a little bit of a clean. We've got 22. 21, 22 not moving. Perfect circle on the line. And scoop apparently. it another 5p? Yes, it is. Another 5p. Oh, I'm out on the wet sand. 32, 34. I think it's going to be probably a bottle top or something. Possibly a bottle top. Oh, maybe not. What is that? It's gone rusty, whatever it is. Don't know what that is. Well, there you go. That's a 57, 58. Perfect circle on the line. So let's have a look. Now, is that an electrical cable? Electrical connector, sorry. Yeah, just a little connector. 29, not very far down. It's going to be a ring pull, I would have thought. Yeah, ring pull. Still dig them though, because I just never know. You just never know. '85, '86. That's changed to a 90, 91 now. Yeah, it's 90, 91 now. And now an 80, 89. So let's have a look with the pinpointer. 2p. Can't believe how clean that is in that sand. Look at that. Like new. 1978. Look how clean that is. Unreal. A little bit crackly. '58, '59. Just a little bit very, well, I say little bit, quite crackly. So it could be a bottle top. Still says it's in the hole, so it's going to be a can then, isn't it? Surely. It's £1. Yeah, £1. Well preserved under this sand, isn't it? They're like bloody new, every one of them. And there you go. What year is that on? 2018. Like new. Oh, as you can see, the point is 10 inches, so you're looking at another inch above, maybe an inch and a half. So you're looking at nearly 12 inches down. Well, that's not bad for the M9 coil, is it? '62, '64. Now up into the 90s. So there's probably going to be a can then, I would have thought. Oh no, it's out. It's out. Another £1. Different sand, different condition. That's another £1. Alright, possible ring pull. 30 solid. Oh yeah, there it is. Never mind. It's on the surface. Traditional vape. Not a Lost Mary or anything like that. Just a crystal. 21.22, so possibly another 5p piece. Out. I'm going to go for a 5p piece. Yep, 5p piece. Fooled. I got fooled. It's only the second one today, but I got fooled. A bottle cap. So a bit of bling. Bit of bling bling. Yeah. Bit of bling. Beaver tail. One beaver tail. Oh. Never mind. Right. Heart stopper moment. I know it's only foil. but that kind of stopped me in my tracks. In there. So 63, 64. That's 63 now. It says it's close to the surface now. What's that? I'd say a 2p. Yeah, I'd say a 2p. That's what I'm going with anyway. I'm going to say 2 pence. Right, that's me done. Tide's on its way in. I've been here 3 hours. Not been a bad little test, to be fair, with the M9. Found a couple of pounds, 20p, a couple of 5p's, 2p, and a crusty old 1 penny, and then a couple of little bits of usual beach bingo, as I normally call it. So yeah, it's been not too bad actually. It's been spot on. I've gone down at least 11.5, 12 inches. One of the holes, which you won't see, I dug down way beyond the depth of my shoulder, and I still didn't get to it. So it's large, and it picked it up. But yeah, so all in all, not a bad little outing. 3 hours on the beach. Got here with no people, and now there's people. So yeah. Thanks for watching if you've got this far. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Thumbs up, thumbs down, as there's always one of you that does it. So thumbs up, thumbs down, doesn't really matter. Interaction's an interaction. But yeah, comment as well if you've got something to say, constructive or kind. Either way, it's not a problem. But yeah, thank you for joining. Thank you. Bye.